Hey, what's going on, guys? So I finally got me the DJI Neo. Now this thing has been announced for like the past month or so, and I've seen a lot of people already have it. I'm kind of upset actually that I'm finally now, I pre-ordered it and it just came in. So like I said, I did pay this with my own money, so DJI did not sponsor this video at all, but I do want to test this thing out. Look how small this little box is. I mean, how can you not want a drone like this? And the price point, I think they did this thing right. So anyway, this is the, it's not the combo or anything like that. It's literally just the drone with the battery. I'm just gonna test it out today. And then I'll probably do a more extensive video on this thing once I get to play around with it a little bit more, because I wanna try the remote and things like that too. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, and then we're gonna go outside and test this little baby out. Let's do it. The last time I bought a drone from DJI that is at this price point was a drone called Spark. I don't know if some of you guys remember that, but it was one of the earlier mini drone that they came out with. It was fantastic. Anyway, I got some, I'm assuming stickers and stuff like that in here in this packet. Oh, extra propellers, Phillips screw for you to screw that in, I'm assuming, and then USB-C to USB-C cord. All right. That's what's in that box, and then the drone. Pretty much bare bone here, guys. Wow, this thing is tiny. Look at that. So small. Does have a lens cover. I appreciate that, so I can just throw it in my bag without worrying too much about it. So if you guys haven't read up on this, this is a it's not a 3-axis gimbal, so it does image stabilization in the software that's running inside here. All right, so it's not hardware. It is 4K 30. I heard that you can crash this thing quite a bit and it'll be okay. Looks like there are some sensors down here so that you can take off and land on your palm. So that's really nice right there. Yeah, this thing is super light. Wow, look right here. This is where all the different features right here that you can select, and then it just does it and it come back to your